Hi, I'm Jonathon from Werribee. Have you been looking for a while for that perfect home? Something on a corner block, over 1,000 square metres, room for a shed, potentially a swimming pool? Welcome to number 17 Lyall Drive, an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Renovated kitchen, updated bathrooms, multiple living areas. Come through, have a look with me. Well, that's the tour. Thanks for watching. So if you want to come along and have a look at this amazing property, see the tree-lined streets of Westerly Gardens and how central it is to everything you need in Werribee, come along to this week's open, or give me a call. My name's Jonathon and I'll be happy to get you through privately. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.